Today we're at Durigan North Brother Lookout, North Brother Mountain, overlooking the town of Laurieton. So down the bottom there, Laurieton, North Haven, and on the other side over there is, from there, is Dunbogan, one of my happy places, one of my favourite places to be. We're up in the clouds at the moment and it looks spectacular, as always. I don't know what that fern's called. Put the camera on that. And then back to me. But I'm going to take a photo of it. I'll show you what it looks like with the fog. It's beautiful. It's not a very contrasty scene because of all of the cloud, but adds to the feeling and the mystique. The mystique of it all, in it, Viren. It's mystique. Come closer over here. So I can get the park benches out of the shot. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's a beautiful fern, isn't it? Oh. This is beautiful.
She screams in violent protest, an apocalyptic song. How much more can Mother take? We need to right the wrong. Black blood, corrupted air, our plastic tongue must end here. Fallen tree, waterfowl, she needs a chance to mend now. We got to stand up and shout. Make it clear, make it loud. We got to stand up and shout. The time for change is now.
As we were driving up, an echidna walked across the road. It's not very often that you see an echidna in the wild. There was a car pulled up behind me, so I didn't get a photo of it, but I'll see if one of the Marianne or Biren took a photo and maybe we'll be able to see it.
Government boss, almost all is lost. Will you walk a step behind today's way of living? Sacrifice a piece of
Hey Biren,
Yeah,
that's a pretty big tree.
that's a pretty big tree.
It's a pretty big tree.
and shout. Make it clear, make it loud.
That is one grand special tree, that one. That is massive. That is some special tree. You were in a tree. Biren was in a tree. Where were you, Berend?
In a tree.
You were in a tree. Do you want to hear a bit of interesting history about this mountain? When Captain Cook's voyage went from New Zealand to the east coast of Australia, the first sighting of land was the mountaintop of North, Middle and South Brother Mountains. And they named them Middle, North and South Brother. We're on North Brother right now. It just so happens that the Aboriginal population of this area had also named in their own language the three mountains, the North Brother, Middle Brother and South Brother Mountain. Interesting.
We'll make it loud. We got to stand up and shout. The time for change is now. The time for change is now.
I really don't think we could have asked for better conditions to walk through this place. Absolutely stunning. And that's the 500-metre loop done. Easy as. A few little steep bits. I wouldn't walk it if I was injured or if I were really, really old, but I think quite manageable for most people. What a great walk, that's spectacular. I'll definitely do that again.